Welcome to this technical guide on the HP ROBOOK 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're having trouble with your HP ROBOOK 15 not recognizing the new 4TB drives, you're not alone. This problem often stems from compatibility issues or improper installation. If left unresolved, it could lead to data loss or further complications with your device. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and of course, your new 4TB drives. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover. Be sure to keep the screws organized for easy reassembly. Carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the seam of the back cover, gently prying it open. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the hard drive bay. It's usually situated near the center of the device. You may see a bracket holding the current hard drive in place. Remove the screw securing this bracket and gently lift it away. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take out the existing drives and disconnect the cables attached to them. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the old drives are removed, you can install the new 4TB drives. Ensure they are securely connected and place them back into the bay. Reattach the bracket and screw it down firmly but avoid over-tightening. Before closing the back cover, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose cables. Carefully align the back cover and press down until it clicks into place, then screw it back in using the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your HP ROBOOK 15 and check if it recognizes the new drives. If everything has gone smoothly, you should see the drives detected in your system. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you keep your device's firmware updated and regularly check compatibility with new hardware. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.